Hi guys, I'm Isabella from Sandus outside the Business Convention Center, hoping to get 5 minutes of an executive's time to show them how our Sandus memory cards can help make them more productive. Here comes one now. Hi sir, excuse me, can I ask you a couple of questions about your phone?
Sure, why not?
Okay, great, thank you. As an executive, what do you normally use your phone for?
I pretty much use it for everything, for downloading pictures, communicating with my family, text messaging, you name it. Puts me to bed at night, wakes me up in the morning.
Great. What if I told you that with our Sandus memory cards you can be more productive to spend time with your beautiful family?
That sounds great. How can I do that?
Well, as an executive, I'm sure you use a lot of spreadsheets, PowerPoints, and Microsoft Office.
I sure do.
And you have to go back to the office to edit them.
Normally I have to, correct.
Well, with our memory cards, you can save the documents into your phone, edit them on the go, send them through your phone email, and be done without having to go back to the office and go home to your family.
That sounds great.
And also, as an executive, do you travel a lot?
I do. I travel about 50% of my time.
Well, with our Sandus memory cards, you can save videos, watch home videos of your family, and upload pictures to entertain yourself.
Great. I can watch movies on this?
Yes, you can.
Wow, that's awesome.
So how about I tell you that you can take this home today so you can start being more productive, just to thank you for your time.
That sounds great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For more tips and tricks on how to optimize your professional life with our Sandus memory cards, or if you have any questions at all, please make sure to ask me through our Twitter or Facebook page. Thank you.